Today in this video, I'll show you how can you screenshot snaps on Snapchat without them knowing on iPhone or on Android. So let's jump right into it. So now first we go to Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly. Once you're done from that, you can finally go ahead and open Snapchat. Now go to your conversations and find the snap that you want to take a screenshot of. So let me just look for a snap that has no faces in it. Let me choose this one, tap right here in the top right corner, and then tap on the remix snap right there. Now make sure this option is selected and then go ahead and take the snap right here. And then from here tap or just minimize the app. Don't drop it, just minimize it halfway through and then take the screenshot like you usually would by tapping the power button and the volume down button. Just like that, you can finally quit the app and go to your gallery and crop the photo right here to make it look like it's just a normal photo, just like that. And you have done it successfully. Basically, this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.